Smart car products. The power bank can be combined with various modules and provide strong power. Has a compact storage size, consistent design and color. Car washer. Better ergonomics. Comes with hose and water bag. 200 psi water pressure. 6 kinds of water outlet shapes. Comes with a dense foam spray can. 40 minutes battery life. Can be used to clean walls or floors. Can also water the garden. Vacuum cleaner. Delicate and compact. Has an astonishing vacuum of 19,500 pascals. Battery life up to 60 minutes. Comes with extension tube to clean corners. Can be used as an electric vacuum bag pump. Tire inflator pump. When tire pressure is low, it can quickly inflate tires. Inflate large tires size 255, 50R20. From 0 psi, 36 psi. Just 6 minutes. Can inflate the bike. Can inflate balls and airbags. Mobile phone holder. When charging wirelessly, the mobile phone holder can better fix the mobile phone. The power bank adopts Type-C charging interface. Glare flashlight. 1650 lumens high brightness. 5 switching modes such as high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. After adjusting the focus, the farthest irradiation distance can reach 400 meters. Large aperture, wider irradiation area. Put on a lampshade and instantly become a lighting lamp. Battery life up to 20 hours. Can be used as a spotlight. Can be mounted on bicycles with brackets. The power bank can quickly charge the mobile phone at the same time. Similar to the lighting effect of car headlights, it is safer to ride at night. Combined with a tripod, it can be turned into a camping light. Combined with the hanging buckle, it can be used as a tent light. The power bank supply can supply power for car appliances such as car refrigerators. USB can output 22.5 W power. The top supports 15 W wireless charging. We are committed to building a brand new product ecosystem for global users.